All right, so today I'm just going to be putting in some ink cartridges. I had to re-up, and I figured this video will be helpful. It's pretty easy, but for the most part, it's always good to have a step-by-step direction. Here's just me opening it. You know, again, I know it can be simple, but what you want to do, you just want to kind of open it where the opening says to open, and then just kind of pull it off to the side there. They actually made these a lot easier as I speed this up a little bit. No, my hands aren't moving that fast. I'm just showing you, I'm actually changing all of my ink cartridges, but again, it's a pretty simple step here. You just want to kind of open it up and just, they kind of twist right off. So how you want to open up your HP, printer is open up the face first. All right. And I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to pull up, if you would go to scan a document. So I'm using a pen cap. You just want to press that button down, and simultaneously as you're pressing that button down, there's a little handle off to the right there. As you see that little opening, you're just going to push that up. So press that down, push up, and that's essentially how it opens. Now, you may have to wait for the ink cartridges to manually come over, but, they were already over for me. And what you want to do, you just want to take them out. So you just press that button in and then pull it out just like that. You're going to step and repeat that process. So, and you just want to make sure you look at the color. All right, you see the color that was on there, like a red or magenta, type color, a light red. You just want to replace it. You're going to hear a click, and once you hear a click, you're going to know that it's in properly. So I'm going to be quiet for this so you can hear the click. All right, so once you hear that click, that means that you did it correctly. So I'm going to also speed this video up again. Just make sure you're matching the colors with the correct colors. It's actually labeled also on the printer as well, but it just makes it a little easier when you're just matching the colors. Again, you don't really, doesn't have to take much. You don't have to force it in there. Just make sure once you get all the particular cartridges put in there, you just shut the scanner again. You close up the face of it, and that is pretty much it. So you just want to make sure that on your printer, it says that pretty much all finished, cartridges, all the cartridges are installed. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe for more.